going to be staying weather aware as we head into the overnight hours. Here is that latest flash flood threat. You can see medium for a lot of East Tennessee, especially along south of I-40. As of right now, that's probably the best chance for that flooding. Here is a downtown Knoxville view. Rain letting up a little bit. Will there be some more? That will be a possibility. Here is a look at that latest radar scan showing the areas of yellow, oranges, reds moving east. That is that heavier rain, but still seeing some shades of green, blue. That's lighter, but still raining. And these training storms is what could cause that flooding. Seeing some heavier showers down southwest of Knoxville, seeing Lenore City up into Farragut, seeing areas south of Oak Ridge, seeing that rain right along I-40. So we're entering that rush hour time frame. It's going to be an issue, especially visibilities will be decreasing along with that flood threat. Really have to stay weather aware as we go throughout the evening. And if you do encounter flooded roadways, make sure to turn around and don't drown. We can see chances for rain are decreasing north of I-40, but this nearly stationary boundary slowly tracking southward. So now it's kind of along and south of I-40 for that best chance for that flooding. But here's the totals so far. So last night, this morning, we saw torrential rainfall moving over the same areas. Here is a swath of that red shade, up even seeing purple shades. That is over 6 inches of rain fell in portions of Granger County, Hawkins County, Union County. We saw a lot of reports of flooding earlier this morning, and hopefully those areas will be staying dry as we go throughout the rest of the evening. But still, rain chances not zero, even for areas north of I-40. Here's a view in Gatlinburg. We can see people out and about, but there will be rain chances for that section too, increasing as we go later into the evening. Here's now frontal boundary kind of right along I-40, so the rain chances are maximized along that boundary. But here's later on this evening and tonight, the boundary moving slowly southward. So later on, if you're south of I-40 later this evening and overnight as that sun sets, the best chance for rain looks to be across southern sections and maybe even northern areas tonight. Getting a little bit cool, some lower 60s, maybe even some mid 50s wake up time Thursday morning. There will be a decrease in that overall humidity. So here are the highs tomorrow. Might actually be a nice comfy day for some areas. But if you notice though, future comfort cast, still some tropical moisture across southern sections, south of I-40. There will be some more potential for some rain and maybe even flooding for your Thursday, but not for everybody, mainly across southern sections. I think northern areas, north of I-40, most areas will be staying dry tomorrow. Now, I want to take your attention to the weekend. So Friday into this weekend, I showed you Thursday, mainly dry except southern sections, but we had that front that is expected to move south of us tomorrow. It's going to be moving back north as a warm front, and as it does, moisture will be on the increase Friday. Could see a few scattered storms, mainly south of I-40, but the warm front actually moves into East Tennessee Saturday, and this could give us some widespread chances for rain showers and storms on top of the rain that we saw today. We are going weather aware for Saturday once again for that flood threat because we are expecting some more waves of rain that could lead to that flooding. 7-day forecast does show a drier Thursday, early chance for that rain. Friday, mainly late day chance. Saturday could be a washout at times with that potential for flooding. Looking better Sunday into Monday. It's going to be hotter though. Spotty storms return Tuesday.
All right, thank you.